conversion from decimal to binary. Example is 143 with base 10. It's telling you that this number is in which number system? This number are which number system? Decimal number system. We have to convert it into which number system? Binary number system, because its base is 2. This is the importance of base. It tells you the number system, which type of number system it is. So, steps which we will follow: 143 we will divide it by 2. We will divide it by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2. Remainder will be 1. We'll write it here. Now again we'll divide it by 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. Remainder is again 1. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. Remainder is again 1. 2 eights are 16. Remainder is again 1. 2 fours are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 twos are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. We left this 1. We'll copy this 1. Now, how we'll write our answer? We'll write our answer from bottom to top. So, therefore, our answer will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and don't forget to write the base. This tells you now this is in binary number system. So, this will be our answer. This to decimal, from binary to decimal. Example 1110 to decimal. How we'll do? First we'll write 1110 with little bit space. Now we'll draw like this lines. I'll tell you why. Because we will assume, suppose like it, that 0 will travel from here and it will come here. 1 will travel this line and it will come here. This one will travel and it will come here. This one will travel this line and it will come here. Now we will multiply each digit by 2. We will multiply each digit by 2. Now we will give it power from 0. We always give power from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. We will give power like this. Now what it means, power means, I will tell you here, pay attention here. 2 to the power 0 will always be 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 into 2. That means we will multiply 2 times. 2 twos are 4. 2 to the power 3 is what? We will multiply 3 times. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 2 to the power 4 means we will multiply 4 times. 2 to the power 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. Like this it goes on. Now we'll come here. 0 into 2 to the power 0. Value of 2 to the power 0 is what? 1. We'll put 1 here. 1 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is what? 2. We'll put 2. 1 into 2 to the power 2 is what? 4. 4. 1 into 2 to the power 3 is what? 8. Now we will solve it. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 2, 2. 4 into 1, 4. 8 into 1, 8. Now we will add it. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Therefore, answer is 14 with base 10.